how technical education is good for the promotion of our country. Today, I would like to speak on the topic how technical education is good for the promotion of our country. Do you want to success in life? This speech can change your thinking. Student must listen to this. Today, reader, tomorrow become leader. Never ignore this speech. Technical education plays a vital role in the development and promotion of a country. It provides practical skills and technical knowledge that help people become productive and self reliant. A nation with skilled workers grow faster and becomes stronger. Firstly, technical education reduce unemployment when young people learn skills such as engineering, information technology, machines, mechanics, and vocabulary trades. They can find jobs easily or start their own businesses. This improves the economy and reduces poverty. Secondly, technical education promotes industrial growth. Skilled technicals and engineers help industries provide quality products, increase exports, and compete in international markets. This improves the image and reputation of our country worldwide. Moreover, technical education encourage innovation and modern technology. It helps in the development of new machines, software and software and solutions that make life easier. A technically skilled nation keeps pace with the modern world. Lastly, technical education strengthens national progress and stability. When citizens are skilled, confident, and employed, the country moves towards prosperity and self sufficiency.